Ever wondered how to get those sparkling clean windows? The kind that make you feel like there isn't even a barrier between you and the great outdoors? Well, it's a whole lot simpler than you might think. Firstly, you need the right tools for the job. Microfiber cloths are a window cleaner's best friend, great for wiping away grime without leaving lint behind. A good squeegee is also a must-have. It's the secret to a streak-free finish. You'll also need a window cleaner solution. There are many on the market, but a simple mix of dish soap and water often does the trick. And don't forget a sturdy bucket to hold your solution. Now, onto the technique. Begin by preparing the area. Remove any curtains or blinds and wipe down the window frame. Once that's done, apply your cleaning solution to the window. Use a sponge or a cloth to spread it evenly across the glass. Next, grab your squeegee. Start at the top of the window and drag it down in a straight line, wiping the blade clean after each stroke. Repeat this process until the entire window has been squeegeed. Finally, use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe away any remaining water droplets. But what if you're looking for a more eco-friendly solution? Well, you're in luck. You can make your own window cleaner at home using natural ingredients like vinegar, lemon juice, or baking soda. These alternatives not only reduce your exposure to harsh chemicals, but they can also save you a pretty penny. Now, window cleaning isn't without its risks, especially when dealing with high windows or hard-to-reach areas. Always ensure you're using a sturdy, well-positioned ladder, and never lean too far to one side. Protective gear, such as gloves and safety goggles, can also be beneficial. Lastly, let's talk about those specialized window cleaning challenges. Hard water stains, mold and mildew buildup, intricate designs or features. These can all make window cleaning a bit more tricky. But with a little patience and the right techniques, even these challenges can be overcome. And there you have it, the secret to sparkling clean windows. With the right tools, techniques, and a little bit of elbow grease, you can enjoy a clear view of the world outside, all from the comfort of your own home.